Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today we're working on this beautiful 1993 OBS Chevy quad cab dually that was an old truck and magazine truck. So it's super cool, but it's got an old school airline setup on it where it's just one valve for airing down and one valve for airing up for the front section, and for the rear section there's not one for each corner. So it doesn't sit level, it always loses air. And old setup, people ran airlines on it that did not care about the truck owner. I hate it when shops do that kind of stuff. It's really, really mean. For better of some nastier things to say about other shops. But anyways, so we're going to fix this thing up. We got an airlift performance kit to put on it with the leveling system. So it's going to really bring this truck into 2020, and it's going to be a really nice driver again. And then in future episodes, we're going to be installing Michigan Metalworks front control arms and a steering upgrade kit. And we're going to be getting rear 4-link parts through Thor Bros from Jason Thorbeck, and we'll be putting together our own step notch with his 4-link parts in the rear. So without further ado, guys, let's get started today. There's no glow plugs. Alright guys, that's it today working on the OBS dually. Pretty successful afternoon. You guys saw what we did. We stripped all the stuff off. Well, first we pulled the bed, stripped off all that crazy DOT half-inch line that some crazy people ran, and then some other crazy people did this step notch on the rear. It might have been a kit, but it was still a kit made of poop. I mean, not bashing on Chris here, it's his truck, but whoever did this for him, they're criminals as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, so we got it all stripped and ready, guys. Front bumper's off to get repaired because it got all cracked out when he had this thing drop on him on I-90 when he's on his way back from a show. One of the airlines burst that was touching the exhaust because the previous shop didn't care. But yeah, so we got that all ready so that can be repaired. We got the rear end all stripped, got all these old poopy components off here. So now we're set up to get some nice Thor Bros, Jason Thorbeck 4-link kit for the rear, Watts link, and some nice stuff from him. And then we're making our own nice Cougar House Fab step notch for it. So, alright guys, that's the end of this episode. That's enough talking about the truck. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. If you guys like this kind of content, you like Cougar House Garage, you like what we're doing, like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And if you guys want to check us out at cougarhousefab.com, while the website's being built right now, you can get your 4-link kits for your Ford, Chevrolet, Duramax SAS, or your Dodge 4-link kit, traction bar kits. Pretty soon that'll be fully up and running. You guys can order your parts off there. But until it is, just hit me up on Instagram, direct message me there, and I can get you set up with any of those parts. And also, if you want to check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And there we are, Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along in the story there of everything we do at Cougar House and all these crazy builds. And we'll see you guys next episode.